Are you ready to transform your life with yoga? Welcome to a journey of self-discovery, wellness, and tranquility. Today, we're introducing a new challenge, tailored specifically for novices who wish to dip their toes into the world of yoga. This is the 30-day yoga challenge. Over the next month, we'll guide you through daily yoga practices, each one designed to gently introduce you to the fundamentals of yoga. The purpose of this challenge is to help you establish a regular yoga routine, build strength and flexibility, and cultivate mindfulness. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress and patience with oneself. As we embark on this journey together, each day will bring a new pose, a new challenge, and a new opportunity for growth. So, take a deep breath, find your inner calm, and prepare to transform your life one pose at a time. Make a commitment to yourself and embrace the journey ahead. Begin your journey with the cornerstone of yoga, breath awareness. Just as the rhythms of the ocean's waves or the steady beat of a drum, your breath is a constant rhythmic force in your life. It's there with you from your first moment of existence, and it will be there until your last. In yoga, we give breath the recognition it deserves, acknowledging it as the life force that sustains us and using it as a tool to connect with our inner selves. Breath is often overlooked, yet it is fundamentally connected to every aspect of our being. Physically, it oxygenates our blood, ridding our bodies of waste products and providing the energy needed for each cell to thrive. Emotionally, it can mirror our feelings, becoming shallow and rapid with anxiety or deep and slow in moments of calm. Mentally, the breath can be harnessed as a focal point, helping to anchor us in the present moment. Now, let's delve into the practice of breath awareness. It's beautifully simple in concept, yet profound in its impact. It all starts by just paying attention. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Feel the cool air as you inhale, the gentle rise of your chest and belly, and the warm air as you exhale. You are not trying to change your breath, merely observing it. This practice is also known as conscious breathing or mindful breathing. As you become more attuned to your breath, you might start to notice subtle changes. Perhaps your breath becomes a little slower, a little deeper, a little more rhythmic. That's the magic of breath awareness. It's a feedback loop. By observing your breath, you naturally start to influence it. And by influencing your breath, you can start to influence your state of mind. So, as you embark on this 30-day yoga journey, keep breath awareness as your constant companion. Let it be the anchor that keeps you grounded, the rhythm that guides your movement, and the calming force that soothes your mind. Remember, it all starts with your breath. Welcome the new day with sun salutations. Sun salutations, known as Surya Namaskar in Sanskrit, are a series of 12 powerful yoga poses. This sequence is steeped in a rich history, dating back to ancient India, where it was initially practiced as a form of reverence to the rising sun, considered as a source of life and spiritual enlightenment. Sun salutations serve as a comprehensive workout for the body, making it an excellent routine to kickstart your day. They harmonize the body, mind, and spirit, creating a perfect balance that primes you for the day ahead. Let's delve into the benefits of sun salutations. Firstly, they help in detoxification by enhancing the blood circulation throughout the body. This process aids in flushing out toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Secondly, sun salutations stretch and tone the muscles, improving flexibility and posture. Lastly, they have a calming effect on the mind, reducing stress and anxiety. Now let's briefly touch upon the sequence. It starts with the mountain pose, where you stand tall with your feet together, setting the intention for your practice. Then you raise your hands overhead into the upward salute, stretching your body. Following this, you fold forward into the standing forward bend, releasing tension in your back. You then transition into the plank pose, strengthening your core. Next comes the four-limbed staff pose, toning your arms and abdomen. This is followed by the cobra and downward-facing dog poses, which stretch your spine and strengthen your back. You then return to the standing forward bend, followed by the upward salute, and finally back to the mountain pose, completing the cycle. Remember, the beauty of sun salutations lies in their rhythmic flow, connecting each breath with a movement. So breathe in as you lift and stretch, and breathe out as you fold and contract. Incorporate sun salutations into your daily routine, and soon you'll witness a positive transformation in your physical strength, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Salute the sun, salute your new day. Strengthen your body and mind with the plank pose. Day 3 of our yoga journey is all about building strength, and there's no pose better for this than the plank pose. Known as Kumbhakasana in Sanskrit, the plank pose is a powerhouse of a pose, working on your arms, shoulders, core, and even your legs all at once. This pose, while simple in appearance, is a test of endurance and mental grit. It's not just about physical strength, but also about cultivating inner resilience. The longer you hold the pose, the more you challenge your mind to stay focused and your body to stay strong. Let's talk about how to perform the plank pose correctly. Start in a tabletop position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Extend one leg back at a time, tucking your toes under and straightening your legs. Your body should resemble a straight line from the crown of your head to your heels. Engage your core, push the ground away, and gaze down at the mat. Now, it's essential to pay attention to form in plank pose. Make sure your hips aren't sagging down or piking up too much. It's all about balance and alignment. As for the benefits, the plank pose is a full-body workout, strengthening the arms, wrists, spine, and legs. It also tones the abdominal muscles and can aid in improving posture. Plus, it prepares you for more challenging poses that we'll be exploring later in this challenge. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold the pose, but how well you can maintain your alignment and breath. Even holding the pose for a few seconds initially is a great start. With consistency, you'll notice your strength and endurance improving. And that's the beauty of yoga. It's not a competition, but a journey of self-discovery and growth. Each day, each pose is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to strengthen not just your body, but also your mind. So embrace the challenge of the plank pose. Feel the burn, breathe through it, and let it transform you. Build strength, build resilience. Celebrate your progress with a full yoga sequence. We've journeyed together for a full 30 days, each day inviting a new exploration of mind and body through the ancient practice of yoga. Today we honor the progress you've made by weaving together all the poses you've learned into a cohesive, flowing sequence. It's a symphony of movement, a dance of breath and body, a testament to your dedication over the past month. Let's start by grounding ourselves in the simplicity of breath awareness, remembering that first day when we began this journey together. Allow your breath to guide you as it has been your constant companion throughout this challenge. Next, we transition into the sun salutations, a series of poses that salute the life-giving energy of the sun. This sequence, learned on day 2, embodies the rhythm of the day, the ebb and flow, the rise and set. From there, we move into the plank pose, a symbol of the strength you've been building since day 3. Feel your muscles engage, your core strengthen, and your confidence grow as you hold this pose. Now let's weave in all the other poses you've learned throughout the challenge. Each pose a stepping stone, each breath a bridge, connecting each day to the next, each moment to the one before and the one to come. Remember, yoga is not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about showing up day after day and doing the best you can. It's about honoring your body, listening to its wisdom, and respecting its limitations. As we flow through this sequence, let's celebrate not just the poses you've mastered, but also the journey you've embarked on, the patience you've cultivated, the self-awareness you've developed. Let's celebrate your progress, your resilience, your dedication. Let's celebrate you. So, as we conclude this sequence, continue to carry this celebratory spirit with you. Let it guide you in your future practices, reminding you of how far you've come and how far you can go. Embrace your progress, embrace your journey. Reflect on the journey you've embarked on in the last 30 days. Each breath, each posture, each moment of inner silence was a step towards a healthier, more balanced you. A journey that started as a mere 30-day challenge has become a transformative experience, shaping not only your body but also your mind and spirit. In these 30 days, you've learned the power of breath awareness, the grace of sun salutations, the fortitude in holding the plank pose, and the joy of celebrating your progress with a full yoga sequence. You've pushed your boundaries, faced your limitations, and emerged stronger, more flexible, and more centered. This journey wasn't just about learning yoga poses, it was about opening your heart to new experiences, embracing change and cultivating mindfulness. It was about finding a balance between strength and flexibility, between effort and ease, and between the body and the mind. Think about the first day when you stepped on your mat, perhaps a little apprehensive, maybe even doubtful. Think about how far you've come since then, the strength you've built, the flexibility you've gained, and the peace you've found within yourself. Each day, each pose, each breath has been a step towards this transformation. The benefits of this journey go beyond the physical. Yes, you've probably noticed changes in your body. Muscles you didn't know existed are now toned and strong. Your posture has improved, and you might even be sleeping better. But there's so much more. Your mind is clearer, your emotions are more balanced, and your spirit is uplifted. You're not just doing yoga, you're living it. But remember, this is not the end. It's just the beginning. Yoga is a lifelong journey. The beauty of yoga is that there's always more to learn, more to explore, and more to experience. It's not about perfection, but about the process, the journey. So, what's next? Keep practicing, keep exploring, keep growing. Whether it's 5 minutes or an hour, make yoga a part of your daily routine. It's not about how much time you spend on the mat, but about the quality of that time. Consistency is key. Let this 30-day challenge be a stepping stone to a lifetime of health, harmony, and self-discovery. Let the lessons you've learned on the mat guide you off the mat. Let the peace you found within yourself radiate outwards, touching every aspect of your life. You've transformed with yoga. Now carry this transformation into your everyday life. Let the strength, flexibility, and balance you've gained on your mat empower you in your daily life. Let the peace, clarity, and joy you've found within yourself illuminate your path. And remember, the journey is the destination. Embrace every step, every breath, every moment. Your yoga journey has just begun. Remember to subscribe for more yoga challenges and wellness tips. Like, share, and comment below to share your journey. Until next time, happy self-discovery.